Big Boss, celebrate, the cameraman, Gazi, Rossi, on the NDC. Bossy Lally on the Shirley on the Mossy God, the motion picture capture gravity gangster life, a true story, no matter the interesting note. I make sure my voice ring out on the gram. I be the Castro Fidel's army. I be the mischief maker, go buddy Yashira. Not just a camera pan expert, but a fat top gangster nigga that know how to do the shit already from one time at a time and place. Anyway, I do this shit. I make tell sexual copies to make everybody reload my shit on my megabytes. My megabytes, you have to be the visuals, blah, blah. My movies get instrumental to all you niggas in town. So I make the plan to do that shit one day. Man, I sit here today and say that shit to get it done. Dun 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 dun